All right, sorry, I'm gonna having some technical difficulties over the last few days. Don't know why I'm losing my stream. Anyway, hopefully we are back up. So once again, let's take a look and see what we're going to be trading this morning. ES, E-mini S&P, RTY is going to be your mini Russell, YM your mini Dow, and NQ. I'm sorry, and RTY for your mini Russell. NQ gonna be your mini Nasdaq, GC for gold, NG for natural gas. Bottom left-hand corner, BTC for Bitcoin. Currency is gonna be Euro, US, US yen, and then for my stocks, watching HD for my buy setups, and NVAX is going to be shorts. Be looking for some shorts. I am expecting a higher opening this morning on the Dow. I am still looking for a buy setup on the gold. Okay, am expecting a higher opening on Dallas tomorrow. I'm not seeing anything on any of the indices yet. Nothing on the E-mini, nothing on the mini Russell or the mini NASDAQ. No setups in our currencies. No overnight trades, so we don't have anything riding from last night. So no overnight trades. So we have nothing there. Man, I'm telling you, I don't know what's going on, but lately this stream's been flaking out on me. All right, but good. I think we're up. Hopefully, we'll be pretty stable. Good morning, Lang. Morning, John. Good, John. Glad you hit your goal already this morning. Okay, looking at our initial stock scan this morning, we are getting a slight bias to the upside. It's nothing really strong, so it could go either way. But several of our patterns are tending to have a bias to the upside. So we'll see if we have a overall update in the Dow. But once again, that doesn't necessarily mean we can't have a lot of really good selling opportunities. So overall direction when it comes to short-term trading is not always that important. Sometimes your best trades are going to be short against that long-term bias. Even on a daily bias, if the day ends up being a total up day, then we can still have a lot of really good selling opportunities. So, but overall, it does look like it has a bias to the upside. So we'll see if that holds for the day. And then I still don't have any initial setup. So pretty quiet right now this morning. Maybe trying to set up a buy down here on your US yen. We'll see if this carrot holds. That would put us in a buy on this next bar. Once again, this particular trade here, we would put on, this is one of the, we'll be looking at 5 different patterns that we teach in our core package. This would be one possible setup here. So we're going to watch and see if that carrot holds for a buy. All right, so we have about another a little bit more than 6 minutes to go here on Dow. Still expecting a higher opening. Could be a pretty strong opening too. So we'll see. See what that does here. Gold. Watching this gold. Still not seeing anything there. I could see a waiting for a buy on this gold. Not seeing any opportunity there yet. Not ready for a buy on the U.S. yen yet. CARE didn't hold. It's still going up. Yeah, John brings up a good point. Not listening, being distracted by news. It's so many traders want to always listen. They get information overload, and you got to make trading simple. Turn off the TV, turn off your news feed. Don't look at what MSNBC or whatever they're talking about, whatever's in the news. Get away from all of that and just focus on price action. If it's going up, it's going up. It's going down, it's going down. And typically, whatever you hear in the news, the market is going to go just the opposite. More information is a kiss of death in this business. Too much information. And that's the other thing about following the markets. I mean, that's why you can't use these indicators. Just because it crosses a moving average doesn't mean it's going to start going in that direction. I mean, why look at all those indicators? Just follow what the market's doing. All right. If the market's going up, you want to be a buyer. If it's going down, you want to be a seller. It's pretty simple. I think traders make it too complicated. And then what happens is they find a strategy that works, and then they're tweaking it to try to make it better. Well, you know what? Every time you make a tweak on any approach, you've changed everything. Now all your probabilities are out the window based on whatever that, particular setup was or that approach was. So you guys tweak, all right? Be prepared to go back and start looking at it and run an analysis to see if that tweak is going to make it any better. going back, and the probabilities are probably it won't. So stop trying to make it better. 70% is about the best you're going to do over a long-term basis. You're not going to get to 80. You're not going to get to 90 consistently. Stop tweaking. I see tweaking so many times. Always somebody looking, always trying to throw something else on there. And yeah, you may throw something on there and it may work that one time, but over a long period of time, your stats are out the window. So if you got something that's working 75% of the time, why throw something on top of it? All you're going to do is make it worse. So it doesn't make any sense. The other thing that I see a lot of traders do is they don't follow the plan and they make money not following the plan. And they say, I knew that thing wasn't going to go up. Well, you know what? You're going to be wrong more than you're right. So that's the worst thing that can happen is not follow the plan and actually make money. That's a situation where I say making money is not a good thing, right? That's when, they say you can never go wrong taking a profit. Yeah, you can go wrong taking a profit if you're not following your plan and you made money, because now you're establishing a habit of second guessing your approach. And as soon as you start doing that, you're going to start all over again. That's why 99% of the traders never make money, is because they can't control that tendency to do that. And the markets will play mind tricks, right? Your mind will play tricks, thinking that, okay, well, I'm pretty good at second guessing, so I'm going to second guess the next one. Kiss of death. I'm not seeing anything yet. Let's see what the Dow did. Dow is up 462. Yeah, there you go, John. Turn the news off. What are you listening to? John, you know better than that. What are you listening to the news for? Stop listening to the news. You're not going to become a better trader by doing it. Your trades are going to get worse. Turn it off. Look at your screen. That's all you need. I don't listen to any news. I shut that news. I haven't listened to news in a long time. I don't listen to it. I mean, you have so much negative in the news right now. The market's gonna, we're crashing. We're gonna go into recession. Gosh, I'm not gonna buy these indices. I'm not gonna buy I'm not gonna buy the mini S&P. I'm not gonna buy the mini Russell. That's the logic a lot of people have, and what's gonna happen is you're gonna end up losing you're gonna end up leaving a lot of money on the table, and you're gonna take your shorts and you're gonna get wiped out. So just don't listen to it. Man, I still possible short coming up on gold again. I'm gonna watch this gold. Yeah, okay, yeah, gold is getting a short, so we'll take a short here. All right, target on gold is gonna bring me down to 1700. All right, profit target is going to be 1700 on that gold. If I need to reverse, go to reverse at 1712. 1712. So basically what we're doing on this gold is we're using a method which we call Einstein. It's a formula in combination with several of the patterns which we teach in the core package, those patterns, and there are some that we teach in our crystal ball package. And what it does is it does provide us with an exact entry, but it also provides us with a profit target, where we'll take profit and or reversal. So if we don't hit target and we end up hitting the reversal point, it will reverse positions, and then it will provide then a new target in that opposite direction for a profit. And then we have our core strategy, which is a combination of 5 different behavioral patterns. Those trades, I'm going to be that approach will be using on the currencies, Euro, US, US yen. And those trades, once entered, usually last no more than 4 to 5 minutes, and then we get out. We don't have a particular target. We could if we wanted to use Einstein on top of it, but this is really just to demonstrate the different approaches. So right now I only have short gold. Okay, it looks like the yen's getting a buy at 138.61, 138.61 on the US yen. All right, still short gold. Trying to see if we can hit our target, profit target of 1700. All right, we're getting a buy on HD over here on our stock. Let me get a projected high on this. I'm gonna project a high on this HD to come up to 294.39. Still short gold, looking for a target of 1700. Getting a short now on RTY. We are getting a short on RTY, which is going to be your mini Russell. Target on that is going to be, I want to make sure I get this in here. Okay, target on that mini Russell is going to bring us down to 1719. That's profit target. Profit target is going to be 1719. And if we need a reverse on this Russell, mini Russell, it's going to be at, let's see here, 1734. All right, so we're short the mini Russell, short gold. Long HD stock, target of 294.39. RTY approaching target of 1719.
Profit target hit.
Okay, HD stock hit target out of that. And VAX is getting a short.
Profit target hit.
Target hit on RTY. Profit target hit on RTY. Gold approaching target of 1700. NVAX short target on NVAX. Gonna bring it down to 50.6. Okay, short NVAX over here on the stock. Short gold. So on these stocks, on both HD and NVAX, we're using the Einstein approach. Same with the gold. Short on both. Looking to hit target.
Profit target hit.
Good, Glenn. I'm glad you're doing. Yeah, gosh, you've been with me for 3 years. Good job. You're doing well, and that's the most important thing. All right, so NVAX did hit its target. So out of that short, still short gold. Not seeing anything. We may be getting a short coming up on our mini NASDAQ. ES kind of slow. Maybe getting a short there. Let's see what the Dow's doing right now. Dow is up 326. Okay, yeah, the mini NASDAQ wow just went short. All right, target on that is going to bring you down to 118.57 and a half. If we need to reverse on that mini NASDAQ, we're going to reverse if it comes up to 119.70 if we don't hit target first. All right, so now we're short the mini NASDAQ target 118.57 and a half, still short gold. Gold slowly approaching target of 1,700. Okay, get another buy again on HD. It's happening fast. I missed the entry. Entry came in at 93.39. Target is going to be 93.89.
Profit target hit.
All right, that was a fast one on HD. HD hit its target on the
Profit
upside.
target hit.
Still short gold, still short your mini NASDAQ. I think gold just hit target too. Gold hit target. Nope, not yet. Not showing. Not sure why that went away, but all right. The alert went off. I'm not so sure that gold hit 1700. I'm not showing it went through limit. Let's see. Anyway, we'll put it back in there. We're set ourselves still short gold.
Profit target hit.
There we go. Now we hit it. So we're out of gold. John, I'm just using Einstein on that on the stock. Same thing, just like we do for everything else. Okay, getting short on the ES, which is going to be your E-mini S&P. Target on ES is going to bring you down to 3809.75.
Profit target hit.
3809.75. All right, on the mini NASDAQ, we hit target on mini NASDAQ. So that just leaves us short on the E-mini S&P, target of 3809.75, reversal 3847. All right, just short ES right now, the E-mini S&P. And we got about 5 minutes to go before we hit the top of the hour. All right, those on YouTube and Facebook, as always, thank you for joining us this morning. We do this every morning. First hour is free. After that, we continue on with our subscribers. The idea here is to demonstrate my personal approach to trading, which I've been doing for I've been trading for 40 years. It is unique. It's not something you're going to find in a book. You're not going to see it on YouTube. I'm the only one who trades like this. It is based off of something I found 30 years ago. They're called behavioral patterns. And then the Einstein formula is also a unique approach. So the purpose here is not for you to try to follow these trades. Wouldn't recommend it because, of course, whenever I'm broadcasting through YouTube or Facebook, there is a delay. So, and there's more to making a trade than just buying and selling. And we go into all of that too. Which ones are the strongest ones? Which ones are weaker? There are ways of identifying a strength of a particular move, whether you're going to take it or not. So anyhow, if you need more information, go to my YouTube channel. Plenty of educational material out there. You can always go to my my website, binaryprostrategies.com. If you have any questions, you can always get a hold of me that way. I do answer all my emails. Let's see if this ES is going to start taking off here on the downside. ES has been a little bit slow. Dow's up 319, 320. So if you like these videos, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe. That is going to help out my channel, and also let me know I need to continue on with this free live broadcast if you find value in it. And also hit the subscribe button so you can stay on top of any new videos that come out. So right now, as we go into the top of the hour, we are still short the E-mini S&P, still looking for a target of 3809.75. Anyway, these stocks you're seeing, it says HF buys, HF sells. HF is actually one of the patterns that we teach. That is something we actually teach in our crystal ball package. These are scans that we do. We do a scan every night. It looks at 12,000 different stocks. These are the ones that are displaying the HF pattern. So we have our HF buys, HF shorts. What this means is these are the better stocks to short-term trade in. So for today, I was looking for buys on HD. All right, looking for buys on HD, so short-term buys. And then on my shorts, NVAX. That's why I was taking my shorts today. So it doesn't mean that necessarily the overall is going to be up for these particular stocks, though that that can happen and it will happen. But it's more of an indication of whether I want to be a buyer or seller for that particular day. All right, so that's it. 9 o'clock. We are going to go ahead and get out of here. Everybody have a great weekend. We'll be back Monday morning, same time, at 9 a.m.
Reverse
Eastern.
buy.
And we just reversed on ES. So let me give you that just real quick here. Let me give you a reversal top on that. All right, so that new target on ES is going to bring you up to, let's see here, 38.59.75. 38.59.75. That is going to be the new target. All right, that's it, folks. Everybody have a great weekend. We'll see you first thing Monday morning.